Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing video of the new Dell Latitude 7320 Detachable. My name is Rakshit Babu. Today I've got here is the 7320 Detachable, the new product that we are bringing out to the market. And let's open up the box and see what's inside it. To start with, the packaging itself is made with recycled material and ocean-bound plastic. We have up to 25% of ocean-bound plastic in the traces. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. To start with, we have a power card and the power adapter for the PC. So I have here is the power card, which is the standard US 3-pronged plug. And the power adapter is the 60 watts ultra small form factor adapter. As you can see, it's a very small device that is very friendly to carry around whenever you're on the move. The next thing I have here is the stylus pen, which is custom made for this device itself. It is a very fast charging pen. It charges really quickly in the keyboard itself and can give you an extended life of usage. So I'm just going to put this aside for now. Let's open up and see where the keyboard is at. So this is another box that is inside this box, which has the keyboard. The keyboard itself is redesigned and it's made up of, the surface is force sweet for that premium and good feel for the touch. And this is where the pen would go, where it charges wirelessly. And then, last but not the least, we have the tablet itself in the box. So as you can see, the redesigned tablet or the detachable PC is very thin and light and very easy to carry around whenever you're on the move. So this is the new Latitude 7320 Detachable. As you can see, it's a very thin and light device. It is very thin from the thickness perspective, and it also starts from only 1.7 pounds. So what I have here is the slim version of what we call, and I have the security version, which also includes a smart card reader at the back. So this new innovative design, what we have done, does not increase the thickness of the device itself, irrespective whether it's a slim version or the security version. As you can see, the thickness of both are the same, and we smartly design the bump at the back of the device so that it doesn't come in way of your operation, whichever direction you want to hold it. So let's talk about the ports. The new device comes with two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 capable port, one on each side of the device. And also it has an universal audio jack, the volume control buttons, the power button, and the wedge-shaped lock slot to lock away your device whenever you're not close to the device. The secure version or the security version also has the smart card reader, which is both contacted and contactless smart card reader capable. It has an NFC spot for near-field communication and a fingerprint reader. The device also has the wireless capability, both WLAN and WIVAN. So whether you are near to a Wi-Fi access spot or not, you can always be connected to the internet and do your work wherever you are, irrespective of the environment or the connectivity that is available for you. So it has the micro SIM card capability and also the eSIM card capability. Depending on the region you are in, you can use whichever option that you want. The device comes with a smart kickstand, or like the very operationally friendly kickstand, which powers on or wakes your system from sleep as soon as the kickstand is deployed. So this helps you in rendering productive as soon as you sit at your desk. It also has a proximity sensor, which senses whether the user is in the proximity of the device, and if he or she is not, it automatically locks the device so that your device or your data and all your business secrets are kept secret from anybody else snooping into it. The new device comes with the latest 11th generation Intel CPUs all the way till i7V Pro. It is the most secure, manageable, and serviceable commercial detachable available in the market. It also is one of the most powerful commercial detachable, so that you have all the computing power you need, whether you are at the desk or on the go. It also comes with Dell Optimizer, which is an AI-based engine that learns how you use your device and optimizes your device according to your usage pattern. It has express charge, which charges your device up to 80% within an hour of plugging in, and it has express response, which renders your application faster or smoother whenever you're using it. So you don't have to like remember what you opened a couple of hours ago and did not remember to close that window. It also has Express Connect, which constantly looks for the most efficient access point and connects to that Wi-Fi access point to stay connected all the time with the best possible signals. Now let's look at the keyboard and the pen that can be accompanied or sold separately for the detachable tablet. So the newly designed keyboard is a full layout keyboard so that you don't have to compromise between like getting a laptop or getting a tablet product. And it has the new Phosphete surface for a more premium look and feel. The pen garages itself in the slot in the keyboard where it wirelessly recharges as well. So it accomplishes two things here. One, you can always be sure that you don't lose your pen because it always sits in its garage all the time. It also wirelessly charges there. It's one of the fastest charging stylus pen accompanied with any commercial detachable device. Next, let's talk about the display screen. As I said earlier, this is a 13-inch screen in a 12.3 screen-inch body. It is an FHD plus display screen with up to 500 nits of brightness. We also have the Gorilla Glass 6 DX glass panel, which is a coating which helps in resisting the scratches and also helps in viewing even in the brightest environment. It also comes with the low blue light capability and the super low power panel solution. Next, let's talk about thermals. With this generation, we have introduced new technology called dual opposite outlet fan, which helps in maximizing the airflow within the device for better cooling solutions. So this particular device has an air intake from the sides and the exhaust from the top, so it better circulates the air inside where all the components are present that has the potential of increasing the temperature. The thermals are also designed in a smart way so that like whenever you're holding your device either in portrait mode or the landscape mode, it's still away from the hotspot regions where all the computing components are embedded. All this design innovation in the new detachable meets the Intel Evo specification. That's all I have for you today on the new Dell Latitude 7320 detachable. For more information, go to www.dell.com/latitude.